Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Smart TV. And in today's video, I will show you on how to lock your Google account profile on your Smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Settings on your Smart TV. Click on OK. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to Accounts and Sign In. Click on OK. Here you go. Now you have your Google account. Select, if you have as many as possible Google accounts, select the one you want to lock right here. Go ahead and hit on OK. Then you have lock profile right here. What you want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to turn it on. You will need to enter your Google password right here. Go ahead and enter your Google password. After you enter your login password, hit on OK. Here you go. Then here you will need to enter your 4 security PIN. Your PIN makes it easier to confirm your account without having to re-enter your password each time you want to log into your Google account. Don't use number in order like 1234 or 9876. Don't use repeating digits like 22222 or 3333. Just use a unique 4-digit number that you can always remember each time you want to have access to your Google account. Once you enter your 4-digit number, your profile is going to be locked in your Smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.